Now we'll be studying Euclid division lemma. What is this Euclid's division lemma? This is just about divisibility. वो divisibility जो हम लोग अपनी junior classes से करते आ रहे हैं. See, to explain this, before that I'll be taking a practical example with you. Suppose we have 7 pens. We have 7 pens, and I have 2 boxes, box A and box B. Now I have to distribute these 7 pens in 2 boxes equally. So what I'll do, I'll put 3 pens in this, 3 pens in this, and 1 pen is left there. अब इसी सिनेरियो को can I write it as 7 pens are there? I need to put these 7 pens in 2 equal boxes, right? So this will be 1 is left. So this is our dividend. This is divisor. This is remainder. And this is quotient, right? अब यही चीज हम लोगों ने हमारी जूनियर क्लासेस में पढ़ी है, right? मैं इस सिचुएशन को वापस आई कैन रीराइट इट एज लाइक दिस 2 into 3 plus 1, right? See, this is nothing but dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Now इसी सिचुएशन को हम लोग किस तरीके से लिखेंगे? Will denote dividend as A, divisor as B, this quotient as Q, and this remainder as R. So what is my Euclid's division lemma? See, given 2 integers, we are given 2 integers A and B. There exist 2 unique integers Q and R such that A equals to BQ plus R. Up, is this a complete definition? No, this isn't a complete definition क्योंकि हमें ये बताना है कि remainder will always be less than our divisor and will always be greater and equals to or equals to 0. See, this condition we need to write this with this condition. So इस यूनिक वर्ड का क्या मतलब है? See, यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन में क्या है? Given 2 integers a and b, there exist 2 unique integers q and r. यूनिक कैसे हैं ये q and r? अभी यहाँ पर I am dividing this 7 again by 2, right? So this will be 2 3s are 6 and remainder is 1, right? क्या मैं इसे इस तरीके से लिख सकती हूँ? 2 2s are 4, 3 is the remainder. Now 2 1s are 2. Is this okay to write like this? No, ये गलत है. So जब भी हम लोग दो नंबर्स को डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों को हमेशा यूनिक नंबर्स मिलेंगे, यूनिक इंटीजर्स मिलेंगे. So यहाँ पर यही लिखा है कि given 2 integers a and b, there exist 2 unique integers q and r such that a equals to bq plus r. Okay, इसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. बिफोर दैट, यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को करने से पहले हम लोग HCF एंड LCMs के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे. जूनियर क्लासेस में सीखा है हम लोगों ने HCF और LCM इवेल्युएट करना. बट what is this HCF and LCM? बहुत से बच्चे हैं जो HCF भी निकाल लेते हैं, LCM भी निकाल लेते हैं, कैलकुलेशन करना जानते हैं, बट उन्हें एक्चुअल मीनिंग नहीं मालूम है. सी, HCF HCF is highest common factor. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, दो नंबर्स जिनका HCF फाइंड करना है उसके फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे, जो उनमें से सबसे बड़ा और कॉमन होगा दैट विल बी द HCF ऑफ दोस टू नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 12 एंड 15. अगर मैं बात करूं इस 12 की, सी फैक्टर्स क्या है इसके, 1 2 3 4 6 12, राइट. 15 के फैक्टर्स क्या है, 1 3 5 15. अब बात कर रहे हैं हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर की, राइट. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, तो HCF विल बी 3. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. हम लोगों ने इसे दो तरीके से समझा है, बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, सी by prime factorization and by long division method, right. Long division method says suppose two numbers are there, 12 and 15. 12 ones are 12, so what will be the remainder, 3. I'll take this 12 here, so whenever the remainder is 0, this will be my HCF, right. So HCF here is 3. See prime factorization से कैसे करना है, we know how to prime factorize, right. So I can write 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 as 3 into 5. Now which one is the common factor, again this 3 is common here, so HCF again will be 3. So ये दो methods हम लोगों ने पढ़े हैं अभी, right. अब बात करेंगे LCM. What is LCM? LCM basically means, as the name suggests, the least common multiple. See LCM, least common multiple. I'll again take 12 and 15 as example. So can I write the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Similarly 15 के multiples लिखते हैं, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and so on. So यहाँ पर इन्होंने बात की है लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, जो सबसे छोटा और कॉमन मल्टीपल है, that is 60 here. So my LCM will be 60, right. Now इसमें भी we have studied two different ways, prime factorization and long division, right. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, सी 12 अगेन, right. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So here my LCM will be this 2 into 2, 3 into 5. So this will be 60 again, right. Long division method में हम लोगों ने कैसे सीखा, we usually prefer this method, right. So again my LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that will be 60. So this is about LCM and HCF. Now we'll be doing Euclid's division algorithm. So basically जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, what is the meaning of algorithm? It is basically the step by step solution of anything. Euclid's division algorithm. This is basically used to find the HCF of two numbers, and we'll be using Euclid division lemma in this. A equals to BQ plus R. We are taking two numbers 12 and 15 again, right? So I am going to divide 15 by 12. So 15 can be written as 12 into 1 plus 3. इसमें क्या है that this divisor will become the dividend in the next step, and this remainder will become the divisor. 3, 4, 12 and the remainder is 0. 3 into 4 plus 0. So whenever your remainder is 0, this value will be your HCF. Right? Now we'll be considering one example from NCERT textbook. First question, first part. By using Euclid division algorithm, we need to find the HCF of 135 and 225. Two numbers are there, 135 and 225. So we'll start doing 225. This is 135. Remainder will be 90 here, right? So 225 can be written as 135 into 1 plus 90. So what will be my second step? 135 comes here, 90 comes here. So we'll divide it by 90. See, 90 into 1 plus 45, right? So this will become my dividend now, and this will become my divisor. We know that 45 into 2 is 90. So remainder is again 0 here. 45 into 2 plus 0. So my HCF will be 45. Is this clear to you all? This is very simple to do. I hope this is clear to you people. We'll take one more example from the same exercise. Prove that square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is an integer, right? We have to apply Euclid's division lemma in this. Let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer, and let b equals to 3. Why 3? Because it is given in question only. So by Euclid division lemma, can I write a equals to bq plus r? See, यहाँ पर b की वैल्यू हम वही लेंगे जो क्वेश्चन में इंडिकेटेड होगा, राइट? a equals to bq plus r, so I can write it here like a equals to 3q plus r. a equals to 3q plus r, where the most important part, where r is always less than 3 but greater than equals to 0. So we can have three cases when r is 0, when remainder is 0, when remainder is 1, and when remainder is 2, right? See, when remainder is 0, 3q plus 0 means a equals to 3q. I will be doing a a equals to 3q in this case, right? So what we need to find? Square of any positive integer. The square of this positive integer a which we have assumed. So I can write 3q whole square. This will be 9q square, and taking 3 common in this, so I can write it as 3m, where m is 3q square. I have considered this value as m, right? Hope you understand. Second case, when remainder is equals to 1, so I'll be writing a equals to 3q plus 1. Again squaring both sides, 3q plus 1 whole square. क्या हो जाएगा ये? a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'll be writing it as a square. I'm writing this directly. 3q whole square, 9q square plus 2ab plus b square, right? इसमें फिर से मैं क्या करूंगी? 3 I'll take common. 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Now I'll be taking it, considering this again as m. So this will be 3m plus 1. See, किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q, किसी भी कोई भी स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर किस फॉर्म का है? इट इज ऑफ 3m plus 1. थर्ड केस विल टेक a equals to 3q plus 2. So a square will be 3q plus 2 whole square. A plus b whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Can I rewrite this 4 as 3 plus 1? इस 4 को मैं 3 plus 1 लिखूंगी so that मैं कॉमन ले सकूं 3 को. तो this will be 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Now इनको मैं एक साथ रखूंगी. 3 को मैंने इसमें से कॉमन लिया. This will be 3q square plus 4q plus 1, right? So this will be again m. So this will be 3m plus 1 again, right? So where m is 3q square plus 4q plus 1. See, now square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. Hope you understand this question. इसमें क्या था? We need to prove that square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. मैंने क्या किया? Let a be any positive integer and b equals to 3. Why 3? क्योंकि वो question में वैसे mentioned है. तो by Euclid division lemma, a equals to 3q plus r, right? So I have taken 3 cases. R can be 0, 1 or 2, less than 3, that is. So r is 0, so a equals 3q. I have found the square of a for that positive integer which I have considered. तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? 9q square. Taking 3 common in this, so it will be 3m. Again squaring both sides. इसमें भी मैंने यही किया. इस स्टेप में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ये था कि इस 4 को मैंने I have rewritten it as 3 plus 1. क्यों मैंने इस तरीके से लिखा इसे? So that मैं यहाँ पर इसे in terms के साथ इस 3 को भी कॉमन ले सकूं, right? So this is all about exercise 1.1 and Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. Hope you understand. Thank you.